friends, once again welcome back to Merge Strength with a new informative video. My name is Pushpendra Burman. Today in this video I'm gonna talk a skill movement. Many of us takes months or years to learn this movement, but I'm gonna tell you some technique and drill which can help you to learn this movement fast. The movement is called double under. Double under is one step higher level of your single jump rope. When you do double under, in every single jump, the jump rope skip twice under your knee. Before I take you to the technique, I have a request. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. That makes me motivated to make more videos like this for you. Now let's see this movement. Okay guys, so I'm with Ume.
Hello.
And we're gonna show you how to do double under with a good technique. From this technique you can learn your double under faster. So before I take you to the double under technique, I want to tell you something about jump rope. Guys, you should have jump rope. It's called speed rope, because in speed rope the wire is very thin, and the second point is you should have a good quality of jump rope which has good barrier on the handle. That can give you more rhythm, more your movement in your double under. So before you start your double under practice, make sure you have good speed on your single jump rope. I would recommend that you should have at least 50 single jump rope unbroken. Then only you can try for double under practice. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you few techniques and drill which can help you to learn your double under. Guys, one more thing. Why double under is very difficult for beginners especially? Double under is basically all about coordination in between your feet and your wrist momentum. Many of us, when you start your double under, you stuck your double under jump rope under your feet because of maybe you don't jump enough or you don't have your wrist momentum. This is the most important things which we're going to learn in this tutorial video. Before I take you to the double under technique, I want that you watch this video till end to understand this technique properly. Alright guys, now before we start the technique, let's talk about setup first. When we start your double under practice, make sure you set your double under jump rope into between your chest by pressing your feet over this jump with one feet, and then adjust this jump rope height with your chest level. And the second point is, when you practice for double under, the most important thing is your jump. Make sure you jump higher than your single jump rope. At least I would recommend that you jump initially 3 to 4 inch higher with every single rep. Okay guys, I'll take you to drill number 1 now. This drill will help you to understand more about coordination in between your jump and your palm or your wrist. Let's see this movement. So now in this position, before we start this drill, first you keep your feet together, make sure you joint your feet or slightly outside. And then in this drill we try to jump more higher, and with every single time you jump, make sure you tap your both hands side of your thighs. Umi, can you show us? So you can see with every jump we are tapping to your thighs. This means you are trying to coordinate your palms and your jump in together at same time with every single jumps. Alright guys, now this is drill number 2. In this drill we try to combination in between your single jump rope and your double jump rope. So we're gonna follow the steps 5 plus 1, 3 plus 1, and then 1 plus 1 combination. That means you do 5 single jump rope and 1 double under. And then once you become better in 5 plus 1 combination, we move to the step number 2, which is 3 plus 1. Once you become again in this combination perfect and you have good coordination, then we only move to 1 plus 1 combination. So let's see the movement, let's see this combination. Okay guys, so this drill is for 5 plus 1 combination. Do this practice to get better before you going to the next level. Okay, so this is the combination of 3 plus 1, means you do 3 single rope and 1 double under. Make sure you have good combination practice before you going to next level. This is the final combination of 1 plus 1, means you do 1 single and 1 double under. Do this practice to achieve your unbroken double under. Okay guys, so this was the combination of between your single jump rope and double under. Hope you do this practice to achieve your double under. Now let's see few mistake when we do double under. In this video, you're gonna see 4 common mistakes we do in double under. Mistake number 1. Wide arm instead of keeping your arms close to your body. If you keep your arms wide, it will stuck your jump rope again and again in your feet while you do double under. Mistake number 2. Keeping your arms stiff and moving your shoulder instead of your wrist. Mistake number 3. No breathing enough while you're jumping. Mistake number 4. Eyes down instead of keeping your eyes forward. Okay guys, so you have seen the mistakes while we do in double under. Now let's see double under properly with the right form and technique. I hope you have seen all the techniques properly before you starting your double under practice. The most important thing is to learn this movement or any high skill movement, you should have patience. I would recommend that you do this practice for double under every alternate days for 10 to 15 minutes at least in a day. If you feel this video is informative, please like and share. If you have any question related to this movement, please do email or you can follow us on Instagram. The link is in description box. Till then, stay safe, stay fit. See you in the next video.